Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start off using just one of my favorite split cakes that I use for sharks, and I'm going to load it onto a flat 3/4 inch brush. And I'm going to start at the top of one side of the forehead above the eyebrow, and I'm just going to make like a U shape, come down, and I just want to create a little lump right there so I know where to put the eye, and then swoop it down towards the jaw. Now here you're going to start kind of curving the mouth of the shark around the outside of the eye. Stop just above the corner of the eye and then finish it off with the bottom of the jaw right there. And then meet those two ends up together towards the chin. And then you're going to come in and fill any empty spaces with the side of your brush. Now starting down beneath about an inch or so behind where the eye is going to go, I'm just going to create a fin. This is the dorsal fin and also the tail fins. And don't forget about the side flippers as well. And while that is drying, I'm going to load up one of my round brushes. This is a round number 4 with red, and I'm just going to create the gum line. And now, while that red is drying, I'm going to pick up a round number 3 with black, and I'm going to add an angry eye for the shark. Don't forget about the nostril and the gills. Gills are very similar to tiger stripes. You just push down lightly and then lift up. And you do 3 of those. And then I'm just going to outline a few spots of the shark. The reason why I used a split cake with a predominantly dark edge is so that I can cut down on the time that I spend outlining in black. And then next I'm going to come in with my white number 3, and I'm just going to press down and flick those teeth in where the gum area is. And just do all different sizes here. First off, I'm starting off with the same size teeth, and then I'm going to come in right here and just do some smaller teeth, because shark's teeth never stop coming in, and some are longer, some are shorter. And for the final touches, I'm just going to add a little highlight for the eye, a little highlight on the tip of the nose, the top of the shark, the fin, the back, and on the flippers.